This is Unit 7, Day 5. We're multiplying polynomials. So as you can see, this is a little different from multiplying binomials because one of our terms one of our problems has three terms, x squared minus 3x plus 1. So we need to approach this a little differently than when we multiply two binomials together. One way that you can complete a problem like this is to take each term in the binomial and multiply it by each term in the trinomial. So for instance, you're going to multiply these two. You're going to distribute that x, distribute it here and also here. And then you'll distribute the 4 here, here, and here. So let's go ahead and do the first one. X times x squared, which is really like saying 1x times 1x squared. So x, and then when we have exponents of 1 and 2, we add them, when we're multiplying, we add them together. So x to the third. And now I'm going to take that x and multiply it by negative 3x. Don't forget this term right there, or that operation sign, I'm sorry. So x times negative 3x is going to be negative 3x squared, because the exponent of 1 on the first x and exponent on 1 for the negative 3x need to be added together. And then x plus 1. When we multiply those together, we get plus x, or plus 1x. Now I need to do the second term, the plus 4. So 4 times x squared is going to be a positive 4x squared. And 4 times negative 3x squared is going to be, or x, I'm sorry, is negative 12x. And then 4 times 1 is just 4. So now we need to make sure that this, we combine like terms. So I've got an x squared there, I've got an x squared there. Always include the sign that is before the term, so a negative and a positive in this case. And then I have a positive x here and a negative 12x there. Okay, so when I bring all these together, x to the third needs to be brought down, doesn't have anything to combine with it. Negative 3x squared and negative 12x is going to give me, negative 3x squared, and a positive 4x squared is going to give me positive x squared. And then negative 11x plus 4. We can also solve the box method. So as you can see, I've already set it up. I need to make sure that I have my 3 terms on one side. I put the plus, you don't have to, but it helps me be sure that I've accounted for all my symbols. So x squared times x will go in this box right here, x to the third. This one would be negative 3x squared. This one is x. This is 4x squared. This is a negative 12x. This is a positive 4. So now we just start, we move here and we start there and move that way. You can do it whichever way works best for you. But I have to bring all my terms down. And then when I combine everything, combine my like terms, I'm going to come out with the very same answer that I did on the last slide. X to the third plus x squared minus 11x plus 4. So as you can see, there are two different ways to solve multiplying polynomials.